All right, we're about to put this deadbolt lock. Combination touchpad key. Got all my gadgets I need for it right there. Used it before. Let's go. So we got the first half of it in there. Now it's just a matter of scoring this properly so we can embed that in there like you see this one. This wire has to connect to that wire in order for it to communicate in order to unlock the door. Of course, from the inside, all you gotta do is hit the switch, but from the outside, it's got the keypad that allows you to make it do what it do. Let's go, baby. All right, we got all the parts chiseled out. Now it's a matter of putting it all together, making it do what it do. There it is, baby. The thing I didn't know is that this thing ran by batteries, but it's in there. Code in there. So like I was saying, this is the most important part of the project because when a door closes, you want to make sure it closes smoothly without any resistance, especially since it's battery operated and all of this you want to flow smoothly into this hole here, because when you press in the code, you don't want any resistance on the motor trying to close the lock. There we are, baby. There we are. Smooth.